The bull is jumping now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ajman might be the smallest emirate in the UAE, but it has a wealth of attractions for both visitors and residents. One such attraction is the UAE Pygmy Zoo in Ajman, located in Al Zohra Marina 1. Pygmy Zoo is a recently opened family-friendly attraction. Let's discover Ajman's first petting zoo and what it has to offer. It's a particularly popular spot for families with young kids. Here the kids can enjoy the outdoors and learn about various species of animals, birds and reptiles. There's a whole bunch of things to do at this petting zoo, including camel and pony rides and playing with cute rabbits, cats and dogs. The zoo also has a dedicated outdoor area with tables and chairs perfect for enjoying a family picnic or just to sit and relax while the little ones explore the zoo. The zoo entry fee is 15 per adult and 10 per child. Camel and pony rides are charged separately, which is 10 per ride. One of the best things to do for kids at UAE Pygmy Zoo in Ajman is a chance to meet and feed the various miniature animals there. These miniature animals include Arabian oryx, cows, buffaloes, turtles, donkeys, horses, goats, and much more. Pygmy Zoo also features ostriches, hens, peacocks, ducks, white owls, vultures, eagles, and many other birds that will leave you and your little ones amazed. To make things even more fun, the zoo allows you to feed the birds and interact with them. You can collect grass bundles from the entrance, which will cost 5 dirham. The animal park is also home to beautiful parrots, pigeons, and absolutely gorgeous Australian macaws. This is also a great opportunity to take some amazing Insta-worthy photos with the vibrant, colorful Australian macaws perched on your shoulder or hand. But of course, that is charged separately.
Let's go this side. Because so many people are here to see the parrots. And they have like...
Oh!
Oh my god, they're very giant. Oh my god. Second, you have to don't go to the road very shout. Because they have that throat to shout. It's like human being.
مات.
تعال امسك الساعة. تعال. لا.
Wait, that's not all. Wait for part 2. Till then, stay tuned.